we are going to see how does find and replace feature work in Microsoft document. So first of all, we need to open Microsoft Word. For that, we need to simply click on the search box and then we will type WinWord. After typing WinWord, whichever version of Microsoft Word is available in your computer, you will get in front of you like this. After opening it, we will be writing some of the text. For example, here I have written something about schools. So from this paragraph, I will be showing you how to use the find and replace feature. So for understanding it, first of all, we need to go to Home tab. There are different kinds of tab available in Microsoft Word, like Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Design tab, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, Help, and so on. So we have to here concentrate on Home tab. After coming on Home tab, first of all, we will be talking about find option. How to find a word means how will you find out that how many schools are used in this paragraph. So for that, what we will do, we will be just going on the find option and we will be using it. So for that, let me just first increase the font size so that it could be visible easily to you. Okay. So now what we will do, we will come here in the editing group. In the editing group, we will get options like find, replace and select. So we will be going on find. After clicking on find, we will get here navigation tab. These are the navigation tab. So here whatever you want to find. For example, if I want to find school. So after typing school, what it will give? It is giving that 23 results. Means how many times the word school has been used in this paragraph? 23 times. You can see these many times it has been highlighted. We can easily find out that how many times any of the specific word has been used. Now let us see replace option. For that, again we have to go to the Home tab and then in the editing group we will click on replace. After clicking on replace, we will get a tab something like this where we will see find tab, replace tab and go to tab. So here I need to replace. I need to replace the word school. Means 23 times the word school has been used in this paragraph. So here instead of school, I will be changing this word school by just say as like playground. Okay, I am changing it with the word playground. Okay, so now what we will do, we will replace. Replace once means single time it is going to replace, or if you do replace all, okay, then what will happen, it will be replacing all. So all done, we made 23 replacements. So let us see how does it has made the replacement. So now wherever we were seeing school, now we can see playground is there. Here you see playground. Okay, or let us just directly go to find and see the word playground. How many times the word playground has been used? 23 times. Same number as many times school was used and at the same place. Okay, so this is how we can directly just change the word, whichever word we want to change. Okay, just in a fraction of second we can use this find and replace and we can use this and we can change the word. Now I am going to again change this word playground into school. So for that, again go to replace tab. Here instead of replace with playground, we will type here school. So what will happen, wherever there was playground, it will be changed with school. So replace all. So now 23 times the replacement has been done. Now I will close the tab. Now here we will see school. It has been already replaced. Okay, so this is how find and replace option works in MS Word. Now we will be discussing about the alignments. What are alignments? Alignment are the arrangement of text between two margins. Okay, like here this is our left margin and this is the right margin. Okay, so we can arrange the text in 4 forms. We know there are 4 kinds of alignments. These are the 4 kinds of alignment. So let us see how we can arrange these word in that alignment. Let us just first divide, okay, in this form, dividing some of the words so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, so this is center alignment. Let us just keep it as left alignment, and left alignment is the default alignment. This is the right alignment. This will be the right alignment, okay, because all the sentences are starting from the right side. And let us just keep it as justified. Justified means no space between the words, totally equally divided, that is justified. This is how it looks. So these are the 4 kinds of alignment. Okay, these are the 4 kinds of alignment. Here this one is what? This one is our, let us just take, this is our which alignment? Center alignment. Okay, then here this is our which alignment? Right alignment, sorry, left alignment. This is right alignment, and this is justify. This is totally from here to here is justify alignment. So it has been divided into these many types. सेंटर जो बीच में शुरू हो, लेफ्ट जो कि लेफ्ट मार्जिन से यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, राइट जो कि राइट मार्जिन से शुरू हो रहा है, जस्टिफाई मीन्स नो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द वर्ड्स. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ अलाइनमेंट. Thank you very much. I hope these 2 topics would be clear to you. Thank you.